this is really good to know you guys. I think it's really important in today's world. What I've realized, any business, if you want to 10x, any business you want to take it beyond $1 million, the only way forward is digital. So digital, what exactly I mean by that? Especially see awareness. If like, for example, we have a shop, a store somewhere. So if we have a store somewhere, its reach is only to that region. For example, this cafe, only people who are passing by this road can come in. So it might be 100, it might be 50. But again, if you have online, if you are doing marketing on different apps as well as on Facebook, then you have a reach to probably all of this region. Now you have reach to probably 10,000 people. People don't realize this, that how important digital marketing is. I've seen some amazing people, great ideas, absolutely amazing businesses, but they don't know digital. They don't know how to do marketing. They don't know how to do awareness. And the simple example is, for example, a year and a half ago, I started making videos of my businesses. And now I have 1.5 million or more than that followers. And most of them, these are the people who actually want to do businesses with me. So I had like 50 businesses at one point. Now I have more than 110. So this is the difference, because you are in the digital marketing space. So what's your experience? Like, how much digital marketing is important for a business? And what do you think, like, does it really help?
So digital marketing definitely helps, with no question. Because as you gave a great example, if I have a shop, then I'm going to have my consumer who are just passing by or just word of mouth. But what about the cold leads who are actually looking for the launch, right? Who want to have a party, want to actually celebrate Holi or coming festivals. I want to conduct a meetup, like you do, right? So, for example, I got to know about this launch after I read about your meetup. Oh, there's a launch by this name. So you did the marketing, right? So that is why I'm going to come to this launch again. Now, if I talk about the marketplace and everything, if I want to target cold leads, if I want to target people who don't know me, but I want them to know, please know me. I'm also providing services. Digital marketing will help you, right? For example, you mentioned that you did great job. You have so many businesses, but are you marketing yourself? Yes, you are. That is why 1.5 million people are following, and 1.5 million is a great number, right? Those 1.5 are going to talk more about you to the next 1.5, and that is how you're going to grow. That's also marketing, but how they are doing through digital world, through digital marketing.
And in your experience, are there any businesses, for example, they were not doing any digital marketing? You started, or your company started marketing their services, and they have grown like rapidly?
Yes.
For example, one example.
Let me give you one of the example. Giant Migration. They are into immigration services and all. They started from scratch from Dubai only, from 2 years back. And from the first day only, they hired an agency. Along with the back-end processes, we started there making website, social media and everything. Now, in the immigration world or immigration department, it is impossible if you don't know Nirbhay Kataria. He's the CEO. We have marketed him so well that if he goes to Qatar, everyone is like, we have saw your video, you're so famous. Now next, the target is India. How did they reach this? How are they they are actually looking for investment now. They have reached to this level in just 2 years, right? From Canada immigration, they have been to Australia, New Zealand, etc. And we did marketing for every country for them. From scratch to that one level, that 0 to 1 journey with the help of digital marketing.
Well, amazing results. Umar, you have experience. I think you have worked with 3 Amazon stores. How many stores?
We work with more than 8,000 customers.
8,000 customers.
Yeah, yes.
So what do you think about digital space? Working online, doing your digital marketing, etc.
It's really crazy because I will share 2 examples. One is my personal example, is that when I started the business, simply putting that service out there has helped us grow tremendously, and without even with paid ads, just talking organic. So like 90% of our customers, let's say, are organic. So they found us and we are overbooked just from organic. And all these 8,000 customers, maybe I know 10 people from these 8,000 personally, like I've seen them, and all the rest is all online. And the second example is these customers themselves, they sell on Amazon, for example, that we help. So when they sell on Amazon, Amazon is a search engine itself. So it's now the visibility of the product that they want to have. So if a product is on page 1 on Amazon, they sell more. Again, it's all about, as you said, it's how many people see you, how many people are aware that you even exist, and that's how important it is because digital is opening up to you are seen everywhere.
Would I be correct when I say you're becoming a millionaire or multimillionaire only because of online business and digital space? So this is the big thing again. One thing which I've noticed, so many businesses are failed because they plan for everything. They plan for manufacturing, they plan for, customer service, they plan for every small detail. They don't plan for online space and marketing.
Yeah.
And they don't realize with digital marketing you can reach every single person. So what I normally do, this is crazy, but what I normally do, I say 50% goes to marketing and brand awareness and everything. 50% goes to actually setting up the business. This is how I do it, and this is how I take businesses. Within months, I take from $0 to $1 million, and this is the secret. I think we'll keep talking about this. Let's do another meeting and probably do some sessions as well. Probably our audience would like to know more about what techniques you use and exactly Umar. So the people who have Amazon stores, they would like to know much more about it. Anyway, thank you very much. So let's carry this on.